The research project is about design for manufacture of offsite construction for housing. There is a housing shortage across the UK, and WHG as an organisation also have a waiting list of new houses. So we are, as part of this Innovate UK project, looking to develop offsite houses which will increase the speed of houses coming to development.
So the design philosophy is 2 or 3 streams really. The first is a fabric first approach to make sure that the house is completely as airtight and as thermally efficient as it can be. Secondly, we need to make sure that the house can be transported to various different sites. So that's an open site or an actual really small site.
The FMA house is a type of house design that we try to take into account the manufacturing process. So in the project, what we try to do is to develop a knowledge-based engineering tool to help the designers to estimate life cycle cost, delivery time, as well as the life cycle carbon dioxide emissions, so that the designer, when they make decisions on different methods of offsite construction, then they can have the knowledge to evaluate the different options.
BCU have been instrumental with the process of achieving Innovate UK bid, and having access to the university's studies and some of their students gives us great insights to be able to design our houses with ontology and offsite construction methods using automation.